Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So I welcome you to all the webinar. I thank Mr. Dattagan Vargi for giving us this opportunity to present our product in front of the IFA community, which he belongs to, and it's our pleasure to bring this presentation to you. So, uh, so we will start. Go ahead and start with my presentation, Mr. Kanbarvi. Okay, so I'm just now connecting to, I'm sharing my presentation so that you can just check once you are able to see that. So I hope my screen is visible. Is it visible, Mr. Kanvari?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and start.
Yeah, please.
Okay, thank you so much. So welcome all to the special webinar we are conducting today. As you know, the topic is how MFD can and have scaled using FundXpert. So let me just give you a brief background of myself. I'm Anurag Sabu. I'm director, co-founder of FundXpert FinTech. I'm a gold medalist from electrical electronics engineering from IIT Madras and MBA from IIM Bangalore. I received a gold medal from Dr. Manmohan Singh, as you can see in the photo, when I topped my year in IIT. And then I have had a long stint of working experience across various industries. And I'm very much interested in finance. I got very much interested thanks to my exposure at IIM, where I was doing my majorly in finance, and I acquired basically virtually all international or recognized degrees which were required for practicing in different domains. So I am a chartered market technician, which is CMT. I am a certified financial planner, which is CFP. I am a certified financial technician as well from UK. So these are the all different certifications which I secured from international bodies. But at the same time, when you need to practice this in Indian markets and or devise or make software solutions and products, you need to be also be aware of a lot of in Indian certifications as well are required for that. So I accordingly did the all different kind of, from research answer, investment advisory to whatever, all certification what is required, I have acquired. These are all my certifications which I acquired, just to give you a background of my interest and passion in this field of finance. So obviously this this passion, I took it to various things, and we around 2011 we founded our co-founded 2012 we co-founded our my first company called Gumption Labs Software Solutions, where we built a state-of-the-art digital portfolio management solution for large financial institutions. So when we launched that company for our product, which we made, we won a lot of awards. So Barclays selected us for the top 10 fintech startup, Thomson Reuters and Fintech City. These are all big names and big companies which were evaluating different companies, and they selected them the top 8 and 10 fintech startup in all these competitions. Thanks to all this background, our product got launched, and we have some of the largest B2B clients in the country. Kotak Wealth uses our product. Stock Holding Corporation of India uses our product. Edelweiss Securities uses our project. Bajaj Finserv uses our project. So you can see these are all big names, and they all use our product and solutions, which run and power their product and solutions. So from this background we came from. So while we are building this product and services, I also got recognition of my fintech, and I was selected among the National Fintech Committee, which is of FICCI. I got selected as, the a part of National Fintech Committee of FICCI, and this is in 2019 in March in Bombay. We had this big conference which we have annually every year, and I was part of that and part of the panel. And these are all these are bank heads and all these who are standing next to me, ICICI head, SBI head, and all that. And I'm part of the same panel which work with them. So when I was in this conference, I happened to meet BSC Star MF head, who was also there, who was Mr. Kiran that time. And then And we were already having a partnership with them because we are building all these platforms. So for integration for mutual fund, we were integrating from BSE Star. So he said, why don't you bring your he had heard about how our platform is doing well, very well for all these customers. So he said, why don't you bring a product for small and medium advisors? They actually reach out to more number of people than these large book guys at some time. So I said, yes, then it will really make difference to a lot of people in India. He said, yes, why not? I thought it's a great idea. Then we figured out what is the solution, or what is the problem, what a small and medium advisor will go through. So we started looking at that, and this is what we realized. And we read various surveys, we spoke, and we have a fairly idea. So we realized that the small, despite the financial industry growing like anything, if you look at the AUM of all the mutual fund asset companies, they have grown like anything. They had a spectacular growth from last time. In fact, in 2017, my article myself had come where I had talked about mutual fund industry AUM, and I said this will double in 2 years or 3 years time, and actually it happened like that. It was published by Business World. So then I was clearly seeing a very large growth. But then I looked at financial advisors, then I said they were actually losing out. They were losing out to large enterprises who were now coming with like robo advisory platforms, their own platform. These big and direct platforms, all these platforms, what they were doing it, despite some of them not making an earning, they were having such large platforms which will bring down the customer acquisition cost, operation cost to very, very low. And when we realize that small and medium advisors don't have access to this, so their cost of operations keep going higher, their earnings keep going lower thanks to all the reduction of which these AMCs have been doing, reduction in the margins. And they are not able to scale up their offering to meet up the competition. Customers whom they have acquired and brought them to mutual fund industry today have started investing with larger enterprises, or because they wanted other products and services. And small and medium advisors were not providing so many other products and services because it's simply a nightmare for a single man person to offer so many product services, manage everything, monitor, service, and the cost, where the cost is very minimal as well. So but the same thing large enterprises were able to. So we realized that our software was only powering those large guys. So we realized that why can't we build a platform for which will exactly solve this problem of bringing down the cost, scale everything, give a massive scale to cross-selling opportunities to small and medium advisors, and give them a digital identity, not just a back office platform, because back office platforms were there which were making some of the operations work easy and generating, but some of them which were very good were very costly. So again, it was not affordable. So we thought that there is a need of platform to do that, not just as a back office, but a complete digital identity. And then we realized we need to do as a new entity and firm to serve this kind of customers, because this will require a different approach to the customer support and service which is required. So we came out with a fintech firm called FundXpert Fintech. We co-founded this firm, so it's more than 2 years when we started. We built this, and at FundXpert Fintech, we are helping small wealth advisors to serve their clients better and grow through our automated digital platform. So now how does it happen? That happens this way. So we built this solution called FundXpert. FundXpert is a solution which will automate a digital multi-asset wealth management platform. So when this comes as your platform, it becomes your platform, it actually gives you an online digital identity. Every advisor who comes on board FundXpert Fintech gets his own unique web URL and own unique app URL on both Android and iOS. So automatically his digital identity is created the day he onboards the platform. So now you have an online digital identity which you can send it to your customers, to your leads, to social media marketing. Because you see, other companies which are acquiring customers through these kind of medias only, because they are able to spread this information. So you need a digital identity so that anybody reaches or approaches your digital identity, you automatically capture his information, and then it becomes a real-time user to you or real-time access to you. And second, once you make such a digital identity, you can offer this to your existing customers, and they will be happy to use that to interact with you, to get reports and do everything, make their life easier, and they will feel very satisfied with a kind of a digital empowerment you are giving to them. So it's a requirement of time also. So once you have this online digital identity, there could be a lot of things which you can do with that. Second, this obviously will automate because of thanks to all the technology which we possess, which we have empowered all these large companies. We are offering you the same technology, okay, And that technology, basically what it will do, it will automate or manage this entire the monitoring, managing and reporting of client details. It will automate all this stuff. So once it does that, then what it does, once you leave, it leaves you a lot of time for doing other things, like reaching out to customers, giving them your personalized touch, because that's where your edge will come, when you give that kind of personalized touch to your customer while interacting for managing their wealth. So that should leave time for you, and that's what it does. The automation, it allows you, the moment you talk about automation, it also then allows you to scale your offering. You can now offer a complete range of financial products, and for offering this complete range of financial products, you don't have to write 10 different exams, 13 different integration, sign up with 50 different companies, and then keep following and keep getting bombarded with calls from those companies. So it leaves you totally free, because this product itself will include all these products and services inside it. So your customer can use it, you can use it, and you can now scale a complete range of financial products and high-tech advisory service. You can offer it to your customers inside your platform. Whatever he needs, it will be available inside a platform, which is your own platform, comes through your own digital identity, so that you can now increase your earnings like how other companies have done. Their earnings from mutual fund has gone down, but it is more than compensated by earnings from other stuff, other products and services. Similarly, same thing will happen. Your mutual fund earnings will only scale up through increase of AUM over a period of time, and it will scale up through other complementary product services which we'll offer from. So this solution, we thought, is a complete 360-degree solution, which a financial advisor will be very happy to have and use. But then we realized, when you offer so many services, so many products inside a technology platform, it also will require a lot of cost to maintain, run, operate, and deliver. And that is also a large amount of cost. And the big companies were ready to pay for it. That's why we have all these large customers who are paying that kind of fees. But what about the small advisors whose earnings were small? So we realized we need to find an innovation to solve that issue also. Because the kind of fees this program, because it is not that the software can be managed without any cost. There is a management cost of software, developer, maintenance, upgradation. All the things will be needed over a period of time. How will this both be happen? So we came out with a new innovation solution to handle that also. We said the software itself will pay for it. So software itself will pay for its cost of running and maintaining the solution, so that it leaves the advisor free from the burden of having to pay for a software to manage. So that's where we came with a new thought of process. And we thought it's a total revolutionary thought, because nobody ever has thought before like that. Everybody thinks of any software company thinks of IF as a vendor and they are a software provider. We thought we will figure them as like a software partner, like as a partnership. So we came with a solution which is a first of a kind solution, and probably the only one, which we say zero cost platform, where an advisor can come on board without paying anything, scale his quality advisory through technology, and then grow and his entire business through the technology and all the powerful, and generate additional revenue through upselling and cross-selling from platform. And that will meet more than sufficient enough to pay for the cost of managing the platform. So indirectly, directly, we are giving you this platform. This platform has become a revolutionary platform, has turned out to be not just a zero cost, it has become a revenue earning for a platform. Earlier, when people used to think of software, they thought it's an expenditure. Today, I'll tell you, software is income generation. So that's what we have converted this platform on, this thought process all about. And that's why our approach, when we deal with our mutual fund distributors who use our platform, our approach is not like a customer client, it's more like a partner approach. We understand and do that. And that's why we say it's a partnership of your touch and our tech. We are your tech partners, and your personalized touch and our tech. If we combine this, we will be able to beat any other advisory, however big firm it is, a bank or a robo advisor. Anybody can be easily beaten through this combination. We are very, very confident. We have already proven, and we are already talking about it. And if I had come 1 year back, and when we had launched 1 year back, we launched it officially. We basically did a lot of programs for us. sent a lot of mails because they were very happy with this kind of product. We had done a sequence of webinars. We called all over India and did a lot of webinar campaigns and all that. A lot of people, so people showed interest. And when if we told you that time, then some of you, a lot of people didn't even they heard it, they didn't believe that it is possible. They'll say, no, there will be some catch. But there are more than I'm happy to tell you, more than 1,000 IFAs chosen Fund Expert platform last year. And now they have seen the benefits out of it. And that's why I have those success stories to speak. There are so many of them. I can at least read out about 200 plus success stories, which I know personally myself, which are documented. But I will choose to speak about few of them because rest all is available. They are all available on Google reviews because all this who have used it, they have given out their reviews on Google about how we are doing it. And that's why these IFAs, we are so proudly to tell you that we have become the most appreciated MFD platform in India. We are the highest rated Google rated platform of MFD platform India. Our Google app rating is 4.65 plus. We are having most awesome reviews you would have ever heard of for any platform. And that is a real fact, and real by real IFAs out. And let me just share you some success stories. So here I've got some success stories of some IFAs from different parts of India. We have IFAs all over. If you can say 1,000 plus, naturally from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, probably every state, every place we have 1,000 plus. When you have IFAs, it is across all over place. But I've just chosen from 3 different parts, and I can continue to read. All of them are available. You also can read. These are all public information for available on Google app itself. So I'm just talking about 3 success stories I'll take, and then I will show you the product, why it has made these guys successful and why these guys speak so highly about us. Why our IFAs speak so highly about us? Why they, they take pride in telling they have benefited out of us. So first person here is Mr. Raj Singh Kushwaha. He's from Kanpur. Okay, so he has been very successful after he started using Fund Expert Fintech from 2020 December. He came on board. He was a relatively newer IFA, not very old, but he had a lot of ambitions, like everyone has when they try to do. And he came on board. And I just checked. I'll just show you what happened, what he got it. 6 months later, after using Fund Expert Fintech, this is what he wrote. See, he onboarded. He said, first of all, thanks for the app to quadruple my AUM in just 6 months. Without the app and the software, it was not possible for a new MFD like me who likes to work independently. Second, the support from RM team is awesome. Whenever I approached them for any issue, it was sorted out in very less time. New features were introduced on my request, giving permanent solution for problems. So this is what he has done. So you can see in 6 months time, which 6 months talking, December to June. India went through second wave COVID. People were suffering. This guy, his earnings have become 4 times in 6 months. What more will somebody expect to achieve from a software or from a tech platform like this? Is the first guy. So I'll read out for the second. So this is the story. He's from Kanpur. I'm so happy to tell about that. And so let me talk about the second gentleman. A nice looking family. He's posted with his family. He's from Gujarat. His firm name is Murthy Investments. He came on board and he was having a problem. He tried to make an app with some other company. It was not working fine. He was very upset. He was like, he wanted to move out and he was like caught in trap. He said, see, I don't have control also. How can you help me out and do something about it? I want to grow because he's coming from Gujarat. Gujarat has a lot of competition. Almost everybody has, but Gujarat, they're probably more aware than any other country. If you look at AUM of mutual funds also, next to Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka, these are the places where you have the maximum AUM of different people. So he said, I need to make a difference. I need to make a digital identity of my own so that my customers think of me not like any other normal advisors. They think me differently. So I said, very good. We will do whatever best we can. And we made his app. His app is available now on App Store, powered by Fund Expert. It's called Murthy Investments. And see, this is what he wrote. So if you move this investment, see, he wrote in March. He was using March. Now it is already 4 months over. Fund Expert software is 1 month. It is really user friendly compared to other service providers. Overall experience is very good. Software is very nice. It has multiple products like mutual stocks, insurance, fixed income, all under one roof. App and web access both are working properly. Most important, they take our feedback seriously. And if it is necessary, they fix it as soon as possible. Special thanks to their supporting staff, and then the names are 2 of our staffs who worked with him to make it happen. Because in our thing, it is not just about the quality of product, which is obviously world class. There's no doubt in that. There's no second. We are second to none. That we also know. But what we're saying, we also pride on support which we give. That's why you will see that thing. Each and every IFA we personally handhold, take him through that, and make sure that they understand, use the software, and continue to support throughout later on, to make sure that their support and everything is handled within hours, within minutes at times. We are that kind. We are not talking about in days. We are talking of hours and minutes category of support. That's the support level we give. And our support team is always there. We set up a special WhatsApp group for each and every IFA to make sure that he can easily share and understand and take details, and multiple support people are there in each group to make sure that there is always somebody who's taking care of. Okay, so we take that extra care, and that's what's it. Now let me show you what the gentleman who wrote, the third gentleman wrote. Now you can see that, if you can see from background kind of thing, the third gentleman actually comes from a rural background. So Mr. Shibanand Saha is from a rural village in Odisha, and his wife is there in the photo. So you can see they come from a very small background. And these kind of places, you don't get so much people to invest in mutual fund and these things. But he had a lot of clients who were interested in stock market. So he thought, if I can, it can supplement my income instead of from stock market activities which my clients are interested to do, then I will get benefited. So we, through Fund Expert platform, he was able to open Demat through our system concern providers who are present in the app, and he opened his accounts of his customers. It started opening for March, and then started opening. So from April onwards, he started earning a brokerage share from the payout, because each and every service which comes on our platform comes with a payout for the financial advisor. So this started generating a special payout for him. And the payout started with, initially, I think first month he earned some 2,000 rupees, next month he earned 5,000 rupees, June month he earned 10,000 rupees, and July month, last payout which we had, I think it was above over 20,000 a month, just from the brokerage share of all these clients which was getting generated. It got supplemented, and he does not have to do any headache, anything. Because everything is inside the platform, inside the app. There is always the same team which is also supporting him for mutual fund, or same team also supporting for stock. So he does not have to argue or go around with talking to different teams. Single place, single point, any effort, anything he needs, one point, one place, all service. MIS he needs, details he needs for how much brokerage he needs for customer, everything available inside the platform. He can see month by month every kind of action. So there is no need to deal with multiple agencies. All at one place, one roof. One makes his life easy. He can easily focus on his customer and day-to-day work, and not worry about whether this company has paid him amount, that company has issued a TDS certificate, if that company is doing something, whether this one place, one source, all his issues are taken care of. That's the advantage we have. I believe some people are doing some kind of marking it. Please, yeah, you are annotating on the sheet, so please do not annotate, I guess. Okay. So I'm just disabling it for others. Okay, so now we move to, so Mrs. And I'll show you these are actual payout. Okay, so I'll just show them. So I believe, one second, these lines have been drawn by one who has. So I'm just trying to see if I can remove it. Okay, I don't think so I can remove that. So one second. If I stop share and reshare it back, maybe. Yeah, so now they're gone. Okay. So here is some more reviews what people wrote. Here is Mora Sifin, another company who came, has a great job, Fund Expert FinTech. This app is very important and helpful to business. As you can see, in the middle of second wave we written in this pandemic situation, and too much effort Fund Expert team takes in financial advisor business. I never saw this type of support in my 10 years of journey. So here is an IFA working for 10 years in this industry, and he, with that kind of validation, he has been writing about. And these are nothing. They are just, I'll read out some more. Mr. Sandeep Pulware from North, the best app ever for mutual fund distributors. The way it allows to navigate and automate business is very much wonderful. A must-have tool for all mutual fund distributors. If you really want to automate and scale up business, this app really helps you transform business practice from old to truly digital. And then Mr. great support throughout the process, great work. Would like to purchase further packages. They had taken service from other places. They're not mark. I'm indebted. They have given us this access, and thanks again. Then we have Mr. Ramachandran from Kerala. He said, SIP details were not reflected, but was rectified. Thanks for the support. All this is being executed, which was immediately done. Excellent. And he gives so much feedback. Then Mr. Suresh is from Chennai. He says, very good application, very powerful product technology, benefits clients immensely to transact, buy mutual fund insurance for one-stop shop. And he has been a very recent one. He had no clue about insurance and all that. He started doing insurance from the platform, and today is able to give a lot of insurance to coverage to his customers from multiple companies, all from a single platform, single source. And he didn't have to write any exams or anything to get qualified to start doing insurance here. So these kind of things we have done, and these kind of services we have delivered, because of which these stories, which these guys have scaled up their business, it actually tells you why we are being recognized as one of the best, one of the 10 most promising technology startups in 2021. This April itself, we won this award and we got the citation and all that. So that kind of by CI Review India. So this kind of tells you the kind of journey we had and the kind of thing we had. Now I'll use remaining time to show you all the features which we have. So I quickly take you across to the platform, show you different features we have. So this is all available in net. Now you can see my website. It's called fundexpertfintech.com. Free on that website. If you click on product, you can see all the product details. So you can see it's ready to apply. Web and app applications. Immediately you can bring your advisory online. You can allow your client to invest online. You don't have to sign once they are onboarded online. There's no signing over other papers. Everything is seamless. You get access to Android iOS with a customized look and feel, with a customized link which you get with custom app link you get with an app screen inside will be branded with your title, tagline, logo, colors. And if you want even more customized experience, then we have a lot of white label options also which you can choose. Then if you look at paperless onboarding process with a totally automated data sync, you have minimal efforts required at your end. So paperless onboarding, online mandates, video KYC, automated data sync, all these are all pre-built inside the platform. Now, if you do video KYC, it takes just 2 days to get your KYC turnaround inside the platform. Then you can also transact online in all asset classes. So we can invest in additional asset classes, stock, insurance, NPS, capital gain, gold. All this are available inside the platform and you can deal with them. You also get a CRM inbuilt complementary access, which has a sales flow, workflow, email templates, follow-up management, and customer analytics. And you can use this all as part of that. Then you can also suit of business management solutions we have, where you can get support your clients and help you get more clients. And why these kind of solutions we have? Portfolio reports, get a 360-degree and external portfolio, financial planning, thematic baskets, business analytics, CRM capabilities, send app notifications to customers. It also comes with a space and email setups and everything you need. You have an RM assigned. Like I said, we have given you a WhatsApp group where multiple RMs will be there. Make sure that you're taken care of. We have a small email ticketing system where you can send a ticket and will answer, but today nobody needs that thanks to the immediate 24/7 kind of support which we give through that WhatsApp product. We also give you a regular updates. We have a new feature products added every month, every week, in fact, and we have support webinars and videos. We continue to upload on our support channel for every new feature we build. So these are the different products. So let me just take you through the journey of a product. So if you come to a platform, you will get a product name, which will be something .net. So it could be something like it could be, I'm just opening one site for it could be something like the Shyamji online with your logo, with your features, details, calculators, partners, all these different logos will appear here. So you can see all that. And then your address, name, phone number, immediately all this is all set up, your email, you're completely secure, completely it's SSL enabled. So you get a platform. So this is somebody else's platform which you get. I'll take you through a demo, same thing in a demo setup. So this is the same platform in a demo mode. It's available called demo.fundexpert.net, where we show demo. So here we have a demo IFA at fundexpert.net and the password, and then you can log in with that. So once you log in, you are into an IFA. As an IFA, you have logged in. So obviously, when you logged in as IFA, you can see clients. We have team management modules, which are optional modules where you want to add team under you or somebody to look after some clients. You can do that. This is an optional module. It's not a necessary thing. Then you can start with everything. So you can obviously start with a fund search. So you can search virtually everything. So if I take just one ELS, one of the popular ELS is on Access Long-Term Equity Fund. If you select any fund, automatically the fund details will appear: NAV, minimum investment, SIP investment, additional purchase, yearly return, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, inception, AUM, expense ratio. All this will appear. Then you will also have you will be able to see the price, how the NAVs have moved and all that. You also can see a fund fact sheet. So if you click on fund fact sheet, it will open directly the fact sheet of that client, of that scheme, and you can download it, actually send it. It has all the details if you need it. So it automatically downloads a fund fact sheet, which you can see like Access Long-Term Fund, and you have different funds and details of the funds, initial load, exit load, all these details you can zoom and see, or you can download it also as well. You can see the scheme details as well. You can see fact sheet as well. So you can see all these kind of details. Then you have the total benchmark of that fund, and the benchmark details are there. Then you have other funds which are similar category funds, and what are those funds and how are those stacked. Then what are the other options which are available in fund. So you get kind of a complete view of this fund, first hand view of whatever you want. You can also have, we have a fund screener where you can screen funds. So if you go here and you can try and screen this fund on basis thing. So if you want to screen it on basis of, say, I can search for a particular fund also. So if I write Aditya, okay, so it will basically throw me all Aditya Birla funds. So now I have, or I can also see them in terms of returns, in terms of ratings, in terms of SAP. I can see all of them from here. Okay, I can also search them on mutual fund category business. If I select a category, then it will allow me to select subcategories. Then I can see the options and all that. So I can obviously use them, like these are all growth options which I've set. So you can just write anything. You just get Access, and then they will all change to Access. So basically, this is like, you can just filter out any fund choices. You can also use a fund compare funds. So basically, it allows you multiple research categories. So start with searching for a fund, searching of different types of fund, and then searching a fund for like you want to compare to these different funds. Like one is Access Long Term, one more tax saver fund. Let me take, say, Mirae Asset tax saver. Okay, so I took Mirae as like that. I can add multiple funds and then I can compare them in each other. Okay, so if I just zoom this, you can see there are different funds. I can see their equity lessons. I can compare 1 year, 3 year, 5 year. I can see all their investments. I can see their AUMs. I also know, see, even though despite a slightly higher expense ratio for Mirae Asset, the returns are much better. So I can convince a customer who's may say, it has lower expense, but I said, see, your returns are much better. I can actually take this snapshot, send it across. I can generate all that. Okay, so we can help you do all these kind of stuff, and then so you can search, and you can search one more. So you can add multiple here. Then you can take this to so once you can do this, and this is all about understanding fund, making fund, and all that. And now you can do your fund offers if you want to see which are the new NFOs running. So every one of you will get an NFO link. So if you go to demo. If I take you out itself, there in the fund itself, there's an NFO page. So if your client comes to NFO page and clicks, he'll get an NFO page where he can see all the latest NFO which are running at this point. So example, Canara Robeco value fund is running. So he can use it to buy. If he clicks on buy, it will open and customer can sign up. So all that. Okay. So you can go back and you can do this, or you can log in from there also. So I came back. Now if you click directly, I'm on the Canara Robeco, that fund page. This is the NFO, that's why the screen. So I have a new fund offers where I can see new fund offers from here. Then once I can see this, there are features like bulk SIP order, bulk one-time order, which all I can place from here. Okay, so these are different features I can, as well as it also gives me access to different products and services like insurance, CRM, NPS, and all different kind of services which I'm interested in. All those things are also available inside. Now here I also get one more option. If I want to go to any particular client, I can go to list clients, and then I can click see all or something, and then it will list all the clients which I have. Okay, it will list all the clients which I have, and then I can see those clients. Okay, I can see these clients and I can go, or I can just search here a particular client name. I don't have to see all. So I automatically get, or I could have done this from the main home page also. When I am here, I just write here and I get the client. So I can just search here itself one client. Once I click on a client, I'll go to client page. Now see, from this page, I've gone out of this page. I'm directly into client account. So if client had logged into this website, he would have seen this page. So what client can see, I can see. So obviously when client logs in, what he like to see first is his portfolio. So first we show him whatever portfolio he holds under your AR. So that's why we call them internal. This is what he holds. He can see all the obviously fund details, fund choices, all the purchase details, and purchase what happened, when it happened. He can see them on a table view. He can see them on timeline view. So there are various views and things which we show a customer all different inside the plan. Now once he has done here, so this is client can see, I also can see. Now suppose I want to initiate in transaction, I can initiate. But if client would have logged in, he might not have seen this, the transaction kind of thing. Like he can't redeem. The clients cannot redeem on their own when they log in. I have logged in as a client, so I can see redeem. If the client logged in, he will not see redeem. So client, the ability to redeem is by default is in my hand. I have an access button in the back where I can use it to enable or disable a client ability to redeem or not. So if I say allow a redeem, then he can also redeem and see. For some clients, I may allow them. If I want to allow for all my clients, I can also do that. All the buttons and services are available in the admin panel. So there is an administrator panel behind the platform, which I can use to monitor all other kind of settings and profile and reports and everything. But this is what a customer can see. So when I went to Vanitas as a customer, I can see the mutual fund dashboard. Then I can see asset dashboard. Asset dashboard is nothing but if he has other assets like fixed income, stocks, mutual fund, everything, those things will get displayed here. So now system will pull that data and show, okay, what fixed income it has, what stock it has, what mutual fund it has, what life insurance it has, you'll see all that. Then I can go to reports. So in reports, I can download report for any particular year or any month or any particular year or anything. Transaction report, ELSS transaction report, complete portfolio statement, and holding summary report. So if I download this, it will give me a PDF which I can download. And then when I open the PDF, I can see that's like a PDF where I get a complete portfolio report with all details and summaries and allocation by categories. All the details are available at one click. So I can get a portfolio report of the customer. I can also get a summarized one. I don't want all the reports. I can get international. So lots of options and lots of things. I can view it here. If I don't want to see there, I can view it here. So all these options are available inside the platform. Now, the moment I logged in, see, you can see there is a cart. So as a customer, I can, if you go to the cart, you can see there's 4 products which are added to cart. So suppose as an advisor, I want him to buy certain products. I can add to the cart and say, see, I've added these products. If you want, you can edit them out. So customer can say, no, I'll invest 50,000. He can change it to 50,000. So customer can change the amount and other things and then say. So now if I want to buy a new product, suppose suppose I removed here some product. Now suppose I want to also buy Axis long term. So I go to long term. And I say, okay, customer wanted to invest 50,000 in this. And I say add to cart. So cart has been added. I can do this and leave with the customer. When customer logs in, he can see the cart. Customer can also see cart in his app because customer will get an app. So now there is a fund. See, it has been added 50,000. Just now I added here, it automatically comes. Now he can click one click and it will go for the actual initiation of transaction. So I can enable it through a cart. So we have a cart facility. We also had something known as smart assistant, and we also have something known as mutual fund dashboard. If you go to investing, it can show you different baskets, which you can prepare and keep it here so that it's like popular funds which you have selected, and those funds will appear here and customer can see those funds and services. So these are all popular funds. Then you can you can track your folio. So there is a 360-degree tracking of portfolio. If you go to mutual fund dashboard, you saw there is one internal, one external. Internal was all the funds he has invested through you. External is all the funds he has invested through somebody else. Now what happens is a lot of clients sometimes invest through somebody else and they need a complete one view of all the platform, all the investment they have done. So if you go to the platform, you will see internal, external. You will see both options here. And if you go to external, this would have come from PDF. So whatever he has purchased from other ARN, it will appear here. So you can actually know he has got these funds, he has purchased from there. So on this fund, if you want, you can go and do some transactions and things like that. You can initiate all that. So this you can help him to do. You can actually, when you switch these products, you can actually, when you switch them, actually they move out from other person ARN to your ARN. So you can do that because some of them may not be performing and there is an opportunity for you to move them to your ARN. So you can do that. You also get a table view and you can do that. You can also create an ARN change and download ARN change form for that if you need that. These are only available for external funds. Internal funds will not show any ARN change in it. This is only external funds if you want to. So these are the things you can do. And for getting that fund, it's very easy. Track portfolio, fetch portfolio, write your email and request. Automatically a cash portfolio will be generated and it will be sent to you. And then when you upload it here, or you click here and then you just upload a PDF file, select and upload, the cash will get uploaded and it will say, it will show all the 360-degree view for every fund which here the customer has bought, not just from you, from anywhere. Then the capital gains and all those reports, you can get a complete for him, one place. He does not have to go to 10 different places and make one capital gains report. Very useful in this time when you're filing your tax return. Then obviously, whatever orders you've placed on the platform, you can see all the orders here. Because this is a transactable platform. It is not that you can actually place orders. The orders will go to the exchange. Exchange will place an order. There is a payment mechanism. It will ask you for, payment gateway. You can do all that. So it's all linked to, it's all transactable platform which you are able to see. Then you have, you can see your goals, you save taxes, insurance, mandate, online mandates. We have e-NACH, NACH mandate. Because this is connected to your BSC Star in the backend. So your BSC Star or NSE, now we are integrating NSE also. Those IDs and passwords you have to feed here and it will automatically help you do that. Then it will show you NFOs, risk profiling. You can see all that, all the details, whatever you have onboarded, customer, personal details, contact details, bank details, upload documents, whatever you need to upload. So the moment you upload document, check and signature, automatically AO form is generated. Automatically, all these are pre-filled, pre-generated. You don't have to do anything. It's the most of the easiest onboarding you can get. Upload data, upload, check, signature, and submit, and automatically it will get submitted to BSC Star and your work is done. Okay. So we have built that, and obviously you can then register FATCA, fill your nominees, and do mandates or change whatever. So you can go to family, and then we have family accounts where you can see all the family details, all the people whose family accounts, their portfolio, who are linked to you. You can see their family and you can see their reports and you can download their stuff also. So this all enables you to see all that. And then you have other asset classes, stocks, where you can apply for IPOs from the platform. Like I said, like, these all will give you additional earnings on that. Fixed income, invest in capital gain bonds from the platform. Now we have added RBI bonds also, loans and insurance, NPS, SGB, sovereign, all this from inside the platform, all this you can use it. So a lot of extra products and services available in platform for you to use. Now, whatever I'm showing you in the platform, you also get an access to what I call them as a admin panel. So you also get an access to a business panel, like we said, which will show you all different aspects, whatever your AUM report. So if you go here, there is a dashboard. So if you click on dashboard, it will show you overall AUM, purchase, redemption, clients, top AUM, current snapshot, it will show you. If you go to, if you want to see detailed wise report, you can go to like AMC wise report. So you go to AMC wise report, you'll know which AMC, how much AUM you are putting. You want to see breakup of what schemes under that, you can see all the schemes. You want to see which person is holding this scheme, you can go to that and see that scheme. So you can go and get different details. You can also see a percentage breakup, which AUM is holding how much. You can see all this information. You can see user wise, scheme wise, all that is available to you. So you have AM reports, SIP report, STP reports, and all these kind of reports. You have dashboards, you have overall dashboard, monthly dashboard, daily dashboard. Then you have marketing opportunity dashboards like ELSS opportunity, lock-in, where lock-in are now available, where you can use. Then you have monthly MIS and 3-day MIS. So basically 3-day MIS will show you all the inflows and outflows which has happened in 3 days, which are the redemption which happened, this has happened. You also want to see what are the recent, any transaction got rejected, you can see under rejected transactions. You want to search all client details, you can easily search. These are all your clients under you. You can easily search them on basis of PAN, BSc IDs, IOF, FATCA, mandate, just write their names, anything. And like if I write and click on submit, immediately I'll get that customer. I can go here. So same customer which are seeing in front end, I can see in the back end. I can see the profile of the customer. I can see all the details of the customer. I can see, so here also I can see all the activities, all the details. These are one place I can see. So there is a backend platform, and obviously it comes with a lot of utilities and a lot of interesting things. For example, we have a directly login to BSc. Okay, so when you click on this, you will directly end up logging to BSc without any OTP or anything. Similarly, you have a direct login to BSc. So these will directly take you to BSc, and without any, you don't have to enter things. From here only you'll go to BSc and everything. It's all very seamlessly inbuilt with a lot of stuff. So very interesting and a lot of facilities here. And then we have something like here, we have lots of stuff. So we have got app notifications. The customers who have downloaded our app, if you go to my mobile app users, you can see, okay, these customers have downloaded your app. And then you can send them app notifications. So you write something and send to them. You can select which customers you want to send, whom do you want to send. Send app notification. This will send a real live app notification to your customers. Then you can, your app, because you all will get an app. So let me show you an app. So where your app details, these are your app details. So what happens when you have an app, you can modify your app also on the fly. We have very interesting, unique combination. And you can see your website link is here. Your unique Google iOS or Play Store link is also your own AR, whatever, some dummy we have put here. So it will be something very unique. So when you give this link to a customer, your app will get over. Now, suppose if I want to, I'll now show you the app demo. So for connecting to the app, I'll connect through my mobile. So I'll connect from, sorry. I'll connect Anynet. Okay, so I will just start Anynet. Anynet on my mobile, and just I'll show you. Okay, so just connecting once it becomes new. So I'll just connect from mobile and just show you the next short demo. Yeah, so my mobile is now connected. So through this, I am connecting to my mobile. I hope you are all able to see my screen. So now I'm connected through mobile. If I go to the mobile, I can see, you can see a lot of different apps. I can see Fund Expert also here. If I click on Fund Expert app, it downloads the Fund Expert app with, it tells you BSc current live version 3.0.8 with SSL 100% secure, and then it takes you to your screen. So demo IFA, and these are the special messages you can also alter on the platform. So this is the second power of the platform, which I'll show you. First, let me just log in here, take you inside. So once if I've already logged in, here I have already logged in. So let me just log in. Okay, so is logged in. So in just, you can see this is live. I'm logging. So these are all live. I can log in. I can see the AUM. Say if I want to see more details of the AUM, if I go to dashboard, I can see the AUM. I can see even the breakout. If I click on that, I can see the breakout. I can see the clients. Okay, it is just downloading. It will download all the clients whose AUM will be listed. So now I can see all the clients. I can see their AUM in the bracket, like D Rajendra 4,44,000. Canendra so much. Here I can see Vanita also, like Vanita is. If I go here, so Vanita 21 lakhs. So if I click on that, it will take me inside that AUM. Okay, so if I click here, if I click Vanita, so now my app will change to Vanita. So now I want to Vanita's account, and I can see whatever Vanita also can see the same app. So now this is Vanita's details. So I can see the XIRR, overall ratio. I can download statement. I can see category breakup. I can, okay, so I can see I can see that. I can see the actions, transactions, whatever has happened. If I click on that, I can see all the details of that. Okay, so I can see all the transactions. These are all dummy data, so don't worry about that. Just entered some data. Okay, so you can see all this, and then You go back. So you see, you can say good evening, Vanita, because now it's evening, it says Vanita, so it changes. But if I click on center and say, so these are the reports a client can see. If you go to reports, client can download all kinds of reports. If I go to, you can see client compare news. So there's a news section, there's insurance, stocks, loans, invoice, all this is there. Now, if I want to go back, then it becomes back to I'm demo. So I'm back to IFA. So I can go to a customer and I can go to customer account. I can come back to my own account. So I can see here all these NFOs will appear here. Then I can see the baskets which have been created. Then I go to you. Then I can see all the different, about details about me and all this kind of stuff. So I can do all that. I can, create all kind of stuff. Then I can basically see all the details of the customer which are related and related, all kind of thing. And then I can go to invest, and then I can see the popular baskets, get my statement, all kind of thing. Search any mutual fund. I can search based on rating, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year returns. I can do all that. Okay, so I can enable all this. So I get this kind of search thing. If I go back, then I back to I can now if I log out, so I can see I can do virtually do all this thing. I can go to any particular client. So how will I go to client? If I click on client, I can search, I can see all clients. If I click on all clients, see all clients, it will just print all the client listing. So I can see all these clients. I can see all the client who I want to see. I can just pull all the data of different clients, or I can go to a particular client, or I can search a client instead of automatically I can see a client. I can click here, I can send WhatsApp message, share a password, do all that. I can do all this from the client. So there's a client module inside. Obviously there is a, here I can also go to the places like my different like my business panel. So I can go to the admin panel from here, or I can go to insurance. So if I click on insurance, you can see all the insurance, and here you can issue all these 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, private car, all these within one click. All these can be open in few clicks, and online you can get insurance done without any thinking twice. So all insurance are inbuilt in the platform. Then and similarly your CRM is inbuilt in the platform. If you click on CRM, it will open the CRM may or may not be enabled for you. So this is a dummy module. So anyway, so you can search all this. Obviously I can also compare funds. If I compare funds, I can use, we have so many different kind of, you can sort it based on so many different things. So the compare fund feature has a lot of facility here. So I can do that. But the great thing is now I'll just show you all this theme also. Now it's a black theme. I can modify this on the fly. So if I log out and I'm back to my home page, you can see now I'll be in the home page, which will have this blue color screen. Now all this I can do it on the fly. So edit app details. If I go, see, instead of, if you see, I'll go back to any of this. You can see it says Happy Onam special webinar. Now I'll change all this. I'll say I don't know, I want to say Amphiris, or I want to say now say Happy Independence Day. I can just change as per the requirement, as per theme. And even I have multiple theme options here: white theme, modern theme. I can choose different kind of color theme, white theme. So all these are different options. If once I do that and save, now what happens immediately is the app look will now change. So now if I go back to my app, which is this, now I'll just close the app and open the app back. And you see, this is live. This is my mobile, and I'm making the changes in my system. In all customers like that who have their mobile, see, the Happy Independence Day, Amphi registered MF district. It has been changed on the fly instantly, whatever I wanted to change again. Now I'll go back and give you some more features like this. If I go back and then edit app details, I can also even change the color and theme if I want to change. So suppose I want to make it a golden different kind of theme. If I submit and then I go back to the app, next time the customer closes the app, opens the app, and your theme is different. It is no longer that blue. If you see, the theme has changed in line with whatever theme I had set up here. Now my theme has changed to, if you want to see the theme, what theme you put, is your theme. Your theme has changed. So basically you can see all the details, you can edit everything, you can get all information, everything is available. This kind of a, first of a kind of a app build we have done, and we have built all this for you to see the kind of richness of product and services which we have built. So there's a lot of things I am just skipping out because we have a 4.5 hours of training modules which are available on the net, 1.5 hours on the app and web, 1.5 hours on the admin side, and 1.5 hours on different product and services. But that's how it's so much detailed, and so much detailed information is available for each and every thing. And then we have the extra third-party services. So if I go back to admin, we have a product section where we have all third parties. So your insurance product details, payout, payout report, DMAT, payout report, NPS, payout report, SGB payout report. So we have basically reports of everything, and each gives you all the reports of each and every product, and we keep adding new products here. So so many different products are added for different, and you can use them. And let me just show you how the payout is. So this is how I'm just showing. This is you get a payout report, which is like this. This is like insurance payout. So first month, this is actual client. I've just hidden the client name. He had issued a first insurance policy, some health insurance policy from Star. So he got this payout. Next month, he issued another 3 policies. So his monthly payout from 1,200 has gone now to almost 10,000. Almost you can see 10,000 rupees. All this payout weight, and you get all complete data. You get policy, client, premium, payout, TDS, settlement amount, when it was settled, what it was settled, which bank account got credited, what was the UTR number, everything, all MIS detail available in one click. Similarly, this is a brokerage guy. I said first month he earned hardly anything. Next month he got a brokerage of 5,000. Then the next month he got a brokerage of 10,000. Last month he got a brokerage of around 20,000. So this is how, and these are showing it client by client. Each client, what is the trade, what is the DMAT code of the client, what is the brokerage generated by the client, how much payout he got, what was the TDS, what was settlement, when it was settled, date of settlement, and the bank and everything. So we give you very much detail. These are for those bonds, that capital gain bonds. So when it was issued, which was the broker, what was issued, what was the transaction number, what was the amount, what was the payout, and when it was credited, everything, all information available with, and these are for NPS and all that. So each product and services you get, and it's all available here. If you go to the payout report, you will get a complete payout of all the detailed information. This is demo account, so obviously it does not have any live detail. So we have all this, plus, like I said, now some of the very unique features, like directly you can log into BSC, BSC CRF, all that you can do directly. So now, once you have seen all this, let me show you one more, some more. You can also download the statement of account SOA also from the platform itself. So we have done all that setup, and I'll just show you that also. So as you can see, so there are various product and features, and these can be your this is how it will look. An app can look like this. Your own logo will come, your name, your perfect way, the way I've shown you just now, the live app, demo app. Then you have all these names, then entry, then hello, and then all whatever you need, your client list, your dashboards, then inside dashboards, the statements, the buy, switch, all transactions, the bank details, and all other kind of stuff, and then the thematic details, and the way to invest, and so many things, your smart assistants, and all these are inbuilt inside platform. Then insurance and all this, all products also. So we have another very unique feature where if you want to do a, you can play, you can download an SOA. So if you go to table view, in the action there is an SOA button. Okay, so if you click on SOA, for example, this is the fund. If you download this, I want to download Axis Carby, this fund. If you click opening, within a a kind of a minute or so, this will open, and the file will download in your system, and you can send it to the client like this official SOA. So you get an official SOA like this. You can see my SOA, same 901. You can download the SOA and then you can send this SOA to your client. So this is all inbuilt inside the platform to generate SOA for that. So you can generate. So these are some top unique things I'm just listed down. We are the only software we can display, track, or switch, or even download change of form for funds which are not under your app. Then we allow you to generate cash statement in one click, because one click you do, a file goes to the customer. We are the only software which allows you to redeem and switch direct plans. So we have enabled direct plans redemption and switch inside. Inside you can redeem direct plans. Okay. Then you can download SOA, statement of account, from CAMS KFintech in one click, like the one we showed. Then here you can buy insurance policies from multiple companies from your own apps. You don't have to go to different apps to buy different companies, single app. Now here for insurance, I'll just add one thing. You may already be doing insurance with some particular code with some particular thing. You can, here we can give you insurance. You can purchase insurance from other companies from which you are not directly associated with, because there are almost 23 general insurance, 20 life insurance. So you may not be associated with each and every company. But if you need a policy from any other company, you can buy it here. You don't have to buy. Second advantage here is the insurance which you have, code which you have, that commission comes to your name. This payout which you are getting, you can take it into your wife's name or some other name. You can save income tax also on because you can have earnings in other accounts. So you can do that. So that's a second advantage. So there are multiple advantages why people do here. And second, one point source of getting all your, in not just issue a policy, claim, settlement, everything we will fully take care of end to end. Okay. So now we are the only software which allows you to constantly edit your app theme, color, messages instantly you can do. And lastly, you are the only co-founder. You can directly reach the co-founder, which is me, on WhatsApp for anything you need to escalate. I'll share my numbers, and this, we will also, once you are onboarded in the platform, I'll also be there personally to guide you, handhold you, while your RM is there to take care of day-to-day, but I am also there to escalate any kind of thing. So you don't have to think whom to escalate. It is there happening in the same WhatsApp group only. You don't have to again spend energy to explain to multiple person what help you need. It's all available in the single point. Okay, so how you can get started? It's very simple. Just go to fundexpertfintech.com. So I'll take you back to the website. It's as simple as one step. Get fundexpertfintech.com, click on sign up. The moment you get name, email, mobile, ARN, UIN, sign up, done. You are ready. So go to fundexpertfintech.com. Okay. And just click on this and do the sign. So that's all it will take to the sign. So if I just share, I share the URL, just click there, fill your details, sign up. So second advantage is you sign up with us. See, what is the cost of the software for using all these features and things? That it's 4,990. But use the software, and for first month, you just sign up today. For first month, we will not be asking. You can use it totally with no question asked. Nobody will ask you anything payment. You can use it for entire software services features, and you can use it. So there is no requirement for you to pay anything. Just use it, and once you're satisfied, confident, then only you think of it. So we will start your officially. You can come on board later. So that's one thing, is that we have also special offers. Like if you are a small IFA and your AUM is less than 1 crore, you don't have to even pay later also. You can just from other product and services which you are generating, from that only we will start deducting a 20% payoff from there, and we will start deducting 20% from your payout. You will get a payout, we'll take 20% of that, and we will adjust against our software cost, software charges. So that's how we make it very easy. Anybody who does not have, if you have a decent size AUM, larger AUM, you want your own app, we give your own app also. So you can take your own named app, and it comes with just 10,000 rupees. So we have different offers. So you have medium side, you have more than 1 crore, but less than some you don't want. Just 4,990 is the price. If you have above of one, you want your own app for any kind of you have, just 10,000 rupees you have to pay, and you will get your own app. You don't have to pay anything. You will get your own named app in the App Store. Okay, in Google App Store, we will launch your own app with your own name, with your own digital identity, with your own name. Otherwise, also you get a unique link. In 4,990 also will give you a unique link for, but that will be FundExpert app with a unique link. You can get your own app also for just it. So we have different options. And I like said, if you are less than 1 crore, we have a special offer running. You can onboard free. If your aim is small, you can use the services, and we will adjust against the partnership payout which you are getting from payout from the platform. Because everybody gets it, but when you get it, we'll direct 20% from that and we will adjust against your payout. So these are the 3 different options which you get, and you can choose so that there is no burden of any software cost on your head from day one. We are giving you some of the best offers you can get or potentially get, and we are, despite at 4,990, I will tell you, at the lowest price platform in the country. There's no one who gets better products, better service, and lower cost. So we are all the 3: high best product, best service, and most value for one, lowest cost product for everything. So we have all kinds of product services. We welcome you on board. We look forward to signing you. Please sign up immediately, and we'll be very glad to help you on board and show you the platform, show more details. Even if you want to know more one-to-one details on the platform, which I could not cover in this, I'll anyway give you a chance to ask questions. Now I'll stop my webinar. You have freedom. You have time to ask your questions. Please ask whatever questions you have. But anyway, if you sign up, we will personally call each one of you. Just fill this name, email, mobile, ARN, UIN, and sign up. And we'll personally call, give you a demo, help you set up, use it free of cost, use it. Once you are satisfied, then you can make payment. We are no in a hurry to make payment unless you are 100% or 200% satisfied from the product. Okay, so that's our guarantee, whatever you can call it. So I guess that's all from my side. I will kind of I'll now take your questions. Stop sharing for now, and I can 1 second, I'll just make the set. Yeah, if anyone of you wish to unmute yourself and ask, or you want to write on the chat, because I don't see any question in chat. So yes, so we have one question on the chat. Mr. Narendra Nagarkar said, how about MF utility? So MF utility is there in our plan of action to integrate. It will be there. It will be done. It is already, we have already in talks. MF utility already, our person Manish, we are already in talk. We already got the details. We have to sign one agreement, and then we have to start forward. That sometime next month we'll do. Then MF utility also will come on board. One by one, we will integrate all and everything we have.
Thank you, Mr. Anurag. Fantastic features.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
One question for mutual fund. I think we will be doing business under our code.
Yes.
But all other businesses, we will be sub-broker.
No, you will be doing under your code only. You will not be sub-broker. Oh, for mutual fund.
No, barring mutual fund.
For barring mutual fund, yes. Because what will happen is that will allow you you don't have to pass any exam. You don't have to do anything. You will be all through our code, and directly on day one, you will be eligible to sell all these products and services, which otherwise are a lot of.
Yeah, but can we know under whom we will be working? Like, is it under fund expert only?
Fund expert only. You are always
you have all those agencies, and you will be giving the sub-brokership.
Correct. We will be giving, so that we will be talking that, and in fact, some of them we directly open. Like, for example, when you take up the insurance, we give you a code which is directly issued by IFL only. So it is like through us you are getting onboarded. That's the only thing. So we will directly onboard and enable you for each and every agency and make sure that you work for us. Yes, any other question? We have people are free to unmute and ask if they want to ask, or they want to write on chat. Link I have already shared. You can just sign up. You will, if you sometimes you want to ask separately, you want to have one-to-one, you are always free to do that. We also have multi-ARN solution and all that. Like 2 ARN can be joined together. You can see reports together. The client will get a single login, single app, and then you will have 2 ARN map. So your client get a single website, single app, and then you will. So we have all those kind of all additional features we have built in as per the requirement. All those are extra options. You can opt for what I told you is for a single ARN, single everything, all the cost I was just telling you. But you can opt for any kind of solution.
Hello.
Is there any other questions from any audience? Otherwise, please feel free to sign up. Once you have signed up, our team will reach out to you and do one-to-one demo and everything. It's just a one page, one form sign up on Fund Expert Fintech. I've shared the link on the chat, fundexpertfintech.com. Just click on the sign up, fill your details. Team will reach out to you, help you set it up, and then guide you and give you 1 month. You use it totally, understand all the features, and there will be there all the throughout. So it's not that you will get complete. If anybody wish to unmute, you can unmute, or I guess.
Yeah, I think people will sign up and then they'll get the demo.
Probably they want to interact more one-to-one. So it's perfectly fine. I understand.
And you guarantee about the data security.
Yes, absolutely. You don't have to worry because this is a partnership. Your data is our data in the sense like, because the same customer is going to also purchase other products and services, right? Third party. So we obviously don't want to share that data with anyone because the data is the very important source of revenue for you and us. And we want complete control over it. In fact, for our brokerage partner, we are the only company, our brokerage partner, we made them sign an undertaking that they will never send any campaign to any one of the customers whom brokerage account is open. Because see, and that is the only brokerage company in the entire India to do this. So, which is Composite, which is like a sister concern to us. So they are the brokerage partner with us, and that's what. And their brokerage is not one of the lowest, service is one of the best. You get one-to-one interaction. So we have all that. So all these things are possible. We also have white label solutions on all that, like white label websites and all that. Where if you have your own brokerage, we can put your brokerage link also in that and all that. We have all those value-added solutions, but those are then higher cost solutions because we have to now set up, do multiple changes. But we have built, like I said, we have built solution from here to Edelweiss. So basically, any range, any kind of solution we can build. So if you are there are larger IFAs who need a very customized kind of thing. They are small, but solution what we have built up, we give you the same kind of power and feature even if what we charge to a 10 lakh rupee kind of customer. You get the same kind of feature. So we don't compromise on any kind of feature or anything. We give you the same power because you have to finally fight with the same kind of competitor also. So we give you that kind of power when you in the software, in the power. So you are getting a complete set. But obviously those guys will have some extra customization which they need probably for some reason. Whatever the best we have already collected and given you in one ready-made form. So you don't have to think anything. Here, each and every element is personally selected and chosen with very well care. And like you would have said, anytime you have a suggestion, you are a part of our family. You will send suggestions, we will implement. You would have seen so many, they said, we send suggestions, we said these changes, and we make changes because your business growth will lead to our business growth. We are very much clear on that. And we have written all these policies on our website also. If you go to Fund Expert Fintech on the bottom, see there is a privacy policy. There is a FAQs. You can go and read that where we have clearly put about data security. You see all data is under bank grade, highly restricted access. Parts are encrypted. Even we cannot read. So that means nobody else can access. Even if passwords need to be reset by the system, there's no way you can read a password. Even accessible by limited number of people. We manage data for these kind of big names, Kotak, Edelweiss and all that. So obviously the security and audit and everything has been taken care of that. Then data misuse. So most important asset which we have earned is a trust. Fund Expert works with the most leading name. It took long time, effort to build a reputation. Today we have access to several million users of data. We can't afford to misuse even one of them. And even if you misuse data of one IFA, we'll lose the trust of the entire community. So we'll never think of doing that. So the most important element is trust. And this is a partnership model we will follow because here we have to have a win-win relationship with you. If your interests are not aligned with us, this will not work. So data misuse is totally no. We are all written very well on the website and everything. And we stand by our commitment of that because we both are together using the same data for managing all the product and services. So that's why that's a very, very important and key element. There's no advertisement revenue for us. We don't get anything. We don't have any marketing revenues. We have all revenues which come from these products and services which we provide in the plan.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Anurag. Hope all the IFAs are benefited with today's webinar. Definitely, sure. I will be in touch with you
Sure.
And
For-
same way, others also will be contacting you. Thank you
Yeah.
very much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Welcome, Kenberg. It was a pleasure doing this webinar. I hope all of you found it useful and you'll spread the word to other people whom we are not able to reach out as much as we try to do. And we thank you for this opportunity because it was a, with you all the effort in, taking this time and talking about us. We look forward to having you. Mr. Hanaman Salgare, if you demo which I did today, you want more detail, you just sign up on the platform and one of our team will do more detailed work for you. Maybe show exact features, because maybe we are not able to answer each and every question of each and every app in one common demo. It's like a group. So one-to-one we will be able to handle. Just sign up and we will by Saturday, tomorrow is Saturday, today is a great day. Tomorrow Saturday, you will generally also be free. So one of our team member can easily reach out and take time so that normal from Monday onwards, everybody will get busy and everything. So please do sign up today and tomorrow itself we'll help you come on board and do everything. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Take
Thank
care.
you, sir. Thank you.